You know about Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT 4.0 already. There's a new player in town, Google Gemini. This isn't just another AI assistant. Gemini gives you direct access to Google AI, opening doors to incredible possibilities. Join us as we explore how Gemini can transform your writing, planning, learning, and so much more. The Gemini interface is user-friendly with easy access to your Google account, pre-made templates to jumpstart your tasks, a chat history to review past interactions, and a clear input section for your questions and prompts. Now, let's put Gemini to the test and see how it works in action.
Here's a comparison of badminton and tennis to help you and your friend decide. Court size. Badminton courts are smaller than tennis courts, making badminton potentially easier to learn and play recreationally.
Up next, let's explore how Gemini can use images to enhance our experience. You can generate a link to it and share the link. Gemini offers a fantastic export to docs feature. This means you can take your generated text, summaries, or creative formats and directly save them as Google Doc files. No more copy-pasting needed. You can also automatically generate the headline using the Generate More option. Get exactly what you need. Gemini lets you adjust your instructions to fine-tune the response using the Modify Response option. You can use the Other Drafts option to select different drafted responses for your input. The Draft in Gmail option allows you to create a draft email directly within Gmail. This feature can be used to prepare and save your email messages before sending them. It's time to test the image generation feature of Gemini. This tool allows you to create custom images based on your specifications. Let's see what we can generate. The more detailed your description, the more intricate the generated image will be. Gemini can translate text between different languages. Let's navigate the world of shopping together. We'll explore strategies to save money and find the perfect items. Let's inquire about Gemini's capabilities. Let's request Gemini to compare itself with ChatGPT 4.0 and Microsoft Copilot. Most of the time, Gemini introduces itself as Bard. Gemini is an upgraded version of Bard, so occasionally you may need to remind Gemini of that fact. Limitations of the Gemini.
write you a poem, a script, or a rhyme. Translate your words across space and time. Your questions I answer, informative and true. A wellspring of knowledge, here to assist you. Verse 2, I search through the web, for facts and for lore. Unraveling mysteries, what questions explore? I craft creative text formats, with nothing to hide. A partner in learning, by your side. Chorus, I can write you a poem, a script, or a rhyme. Translate your words across space and time. Your questions I answer, informative and true. A wellspring of knowledge, here to assist you. Bridge, I am still under development, always evolving and growing. New skills I will learn, my potential bestowing. Chorus, I can write you a poem, a script, or a rhyme. Translate your words across space and time. Your questions I answer, informative and true. A wellspring of knowledge.
For some mobile devices, countries, or regions, the Gemini mobile app may not be available. In such cases, you can use the Gemini web app without any limitations, just like the mobile app using your mobile web browser. It provides full access to all its capabilities, the same as the mobile app. With its ability to interact through text, voice, photos, and even your camera, Gemini can adapt to your workflow and unleash your creative potential. Ready to try Gemini for yourself? Download the app today and experience the future of AI, or just use the web app through your phone web browser. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.